In this video, we are going to look at how to use ChatGPT to get some complex formulas. I'll start by finding the average of this course. Now here we have list of students and their scores in 5 subjects: maths, English, PhD, civic and agric. So from previous videos, you should know how to find the average of some figures. So what do you do to find average? The simplest way is to highlight, then you go to this arrow here beside auto sum, then click on average. That's one way. Another way is to press the equal sign on your keyboard and type average. Press the tab key to select the average function and highlight the numbers you want to find average for, then press enter on your keyboard. So that will give the average for that set of numbers, and you can then click on that number or that average and double click on the autofill feature. This dot at the bottom right of this cell, just double click on it and you get other averages for the other students. Now say I want to give grades to these students and I don't know the formula to use, so you can use ChatGPT to get the complex formula you need to use to get the grades. So now the prompt I'm going to use to get this achieved from ChatGPT is this prompt: given a data set of students with columns for names, maths, English, PhD, civic, agric and average, create an Excel formula that grades the students: A for above 70, B for between 60 and 70, C for between 60 and 50, D for between 50 and 40, and F for between 40 and 0. So I'll copy this prompt and I'll take it to ChatGPT and paste it into this message area. Ctrl V to paste. So let's see the formula Excel will give us. Click on enter, press enter on your keyboard, and let's see what will happen. So as you can see, Excel has given us a formula we can copy to get the grades for the students. So I'll copy this entire formula, or you click on this copy code and you go to Excel and paste it under this grade. I'll paste it there. So you can see that Excel has given me the grade for this first student just by pasting that formula there. The formula is seen in the formula bar, while the results is seen in the cell here. So to get other grades, just double click on the autofill icon here to get other grades. So that's how simple it is to use ChatGPT to get advanced formulas. As long as you know what you want to achieve, even though you don't know how to achieve it, you can use ChatGPT to get the formulas you need, even though it's a very advanced formula.